everybody. Hi, today we're going to be playing like a dino, so yeah, this is Car Dino Part 3. It's been a while, like a long time. It's been like 8 months. Sorry about the long time, but yeah, let's get started. Yeah, okay. Ooh, I'm doing good. Okay, let's go. Ooh. This was before I was this series was before I was even verified. Like, before I got, not like the badge, like before I verified my phone number. So now I'm able to like post for longer than like 15 minutes and stuff. Yeah. So now I'm able to make like custom thumbnails and like like longer than 15 minutes, and be able to think that's it. Not sure. I know there's one more thing, but I just forget it. Oh no, last live. The first part was a short, part 2 was a video, and then part 3 is also a video. I'm probably gonna record this for quite a while. Like maybe like 20 minutes maybe? Oh no! Oh, 701 is my score. My best score is 1,331. Yeah, it took me a long time to get that. Okay, let's try a different mood. Oh, I have quite a bit. Piece of cake unlocked. Okay, let's try a piece of cake. I wonder where it's gonna start. I think it's... Whoa, this is cool. Whoa. Oh no, not again. I don't know what this sounds like, but it seems good. It's kind of like playing a piano, but like if you had to like swipe around to get the piano notes, and then your neck just grows longer. Oh no! New high school best score on piece of cake, 377. Where are we going to?
Sylvie's?
Yeah.
Just gotta grab something real quick.
Oh, okay. Should I come in or?
Absolutely. Just be careful opening your door, okay? The wind is really hot.
Yep. And I better open it slowly so it doesn't just go like. But yeah, it's getting really squeaky.
Yep.
You'll have to put some of that like polish stuff on it. Grease. Okay guys, I'll see you next time.